Ethereum value equivalent to $1665 a coin. The present reach: $1,648, $1,688. The earlier day close: $1,653. The change was +12, plus 0.73%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset, cost at $1646. Most extreme cost $1,769, least cost $1,531. The normal for the month $1,650. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,653, change for September 0.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at $1653. Greatest cost $1,885, least cost $1,543. The normal for the month $1,689. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,675, change for October 1.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $1675. Greatest cost $1,794, least cost $1,381. The normal for the month $1,584. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,485, change for November 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $1485. Most extreme cost $1,526, least cost $1,326. The normal for the month $1,441. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,426, change for December 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $1426. Most extreme cost $1,574, least cost $1,368. The normal for the month $1,460. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,471, change for January 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1471. Greatest cost $1,577, least cost $1,371. The normal for the month $1,473. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,474, change for February 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $1474. Greatest cost $1,619, least cost $1,407. The normal for the month $1,503. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,513, change for spring 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $1513. Most extreme cost $1,841, least cost $1,513. The normal for the month $1,647. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,721, change for April 13.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1721. Greatest cost $1,863, least cost $1,619. The normal for the month $1,736. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,741, change for May 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $1741. Most extreme cost $2,161, least cost $1,741. The normal for the month $1,916. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,020, change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $2020. Most extreme cost $2,020, least cost $1,738. The normal for the month $1,912. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,869, change for July 7.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with, cost at $1869. Greatest cost $1,869, least cost $1,460. The normal for the month $1,692. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,570, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $1,570. Greatest cost $1,948, least cost $1,570. The normal for the month $1,727. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,821, change for September 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $952. Most extreme cost $1,181, least cost $952. The normal for the month $1,047. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,104, change for November 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset, cost at $1,104. Most extreme cost $1,312, least cost $1,104. The normal for the month $1,187. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,226, change for December 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $1,226. Greatest cost $1,226, least cost $959. The normal for the month $1,111. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,031, change for January 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with, cost at $1,031. Greatest cost $1,076, least cost $936. The normal for the month $1,012. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,006, change for February 2.4%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. Before all else, cost at $1,006. Most extreme cost $1,249, least cost $1,006. The normal for the month $1,107. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,167, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. At the outset, cost at $1,167. Most extreme cost $1,449, least cost $1,167. The normal for the month